In this stage, we'll be working with the Matplotlib library for creating views of charts and tables. Matplotlib comes with functions that allow you to create all sorts of chart types, but today we're going to cover a few of the basics: line charts, bar charts, and tables. Line charts are known as plots in Matplotlib. You can use the module plot to indicate the x and y variables, such as colors, labels, and other properties such as line width. We're going to use the ggplot style sheet instead of the default styles. Let's create a function, and let's call it createLineChart, and input all the settings that we're going to need for creating line charts. We'll take a double list data structure and a title for the chart, plus a file name to export the chart image. It'll be nice to pass in user-defined values. That way we offer some flexibility. I'm going to create another file and import from everything before. I'm going to import Matplotlib as well. When we use Matplotlib to create plots, we first create a figure object. And then we create an axis object within that, and we call that AX. And we're just going to put it at the one position, just that one chart alone. So 1, 1, 1. We're just going to quickly use this one line to convert all the prices into an integer and sort it. Let's see what would happen with float. I'm actually not sure if it will work, but let's try it out together. We're going to quickly create an x-axis labeling with ticks, a list of 0 to the number of items in the sample. And then I'm going to quickly type out everything else that we need to label the figure and make it clear what we're looking at. And after setting all these settings that I'll explain later, we're going to save this figure using savefig, and we're going to use the file name that we're passing into the function. Let's make a list comprehension for x2 for x in Uchi ties. So we're going to use a list of price elements, just the price, just that column. And we're just going to pass in a title. Sometimes we still need to skip the header. That way we can avoid these string to float conversion error messages. So I don't think we're able to look at images from workspaces, but the file has been created. So let me download that actually so that you can look at it. And there it is. Now, there's something to keep in mind with line charts. The representation of prices may not be accurate because there might not be any price at certain price points. And if that's the case, it'll look like there are ties, but maybe there aren't. So a bar chart's actually better for displaying the number of ties at each price point. I'm going to clear the console, and I'm going to close this file. These line charts are misleading since there might not be any ties at a certain price point. So it would be better plotted as bar charts.